How to log out of Twitter. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can actually log out of Twitter on your phone. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Twitter app to the latest version, and now you are logged in. Now you're simply not being able to find the logout option. So how do you actually log out of the Twitter app? Well, you have to actually find it because the logout option is fairly hidden, so you have to simply go ahead and log out from a certain setting. In order to do that, first of all, what you want to do is once you are logged into Twitter, you can see this is how it is going to look like. You have to go ahead and tap on your profile icon, which you see on the top left corner of the screen. So go ahead and tap on this profile icon and you'll see a list of these options. Go ahead and then select settings and privacy. As you select settings and privacy, you'll be able to see a bunch of various options again, and at the top select your account. Once you select your account, what you have to do is go to the button which says account information. And as you go to account information, you'll basically see this option at the very bottom left which says log out. So you can see it was somewhere very deep within. You had to actually go to 2 to 3 steps in order to find it. I don't understand why Twitter made it this complicated, but this is basically the way it works, and this is basically how you can just log out of Twitter. Tap on logout and then tap on the logout button at the confirmation box again, and just like that, now you could go ahead and log into another account on Twitter. And this is how you can log out of the Twitter app. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.